MPP amonyo kono akachi ne nkwagina mu Adentan batwo mpasua no eso ne ho na Akosua Manu yo no eye panyini abedi achi de ma National Youth Authority no akofa nkrata apese wogina na bibia koya wogina mu se Franka tuni wogina mu na wo prem rahye bedwa adwae wo ho mesremo fanche na mami ede ne nkrata ekoye no na mpanimfo tufu se wosrada we no MPP amonyo kono a wo ho no wanyanti se kobase wo bonto a won kansam wede emu nsintuma gufin ehata bonte
Abra Deputy National Youth Authority abedi ichire Akosua Manu eko file ni nomination eden nkrata ekoma MPP amanyukono officer wa Adentan no delegate ahodo ane womo edi nechi abra wokopie mu ewo MPP amanyukono office ewa Adentan Constituency Elections Committee no editu nenim eniema egu akwam na no ane womo editu dwase campaign ahodo a womo beye no womo nhwe se ebe krojin abra NYA Penny abedi ichire efa nhyehyeye mu ewieye no ensem odito Adom News nsentwofo enim no ebini
Me to Anamo last year, say me pray Akosua Manu Adentan Constituency. During the time, no, my gather information be brave. When you make us a data, so our data no, it speaks to the issues have polling station executives. Now for polling station executives omo how a sample size of the larger community omo how. It's me tia money mano. I try to solve some of the issues. It be your job opportunity. In the last year, I'm starting Jumedie. They've seen my consistency. And that is what the people have seen in me. Cozy cares, and they know what they've experienced with me over the last few months.
Adentan MPP Constituency Secretary Kobi Bediako enso edito Adom News nsentwofo enim se enipa miensa womo ebefa womo nkrata no de odi kan ede ne nkrata na ba no eye Madam Akosua Manu wode afutuo ema om se ne campaign a okoye no wonhwe se be krojin
yeti bia ebenya obi na yenya nipa na wo se nipa ni nyina tumi bom ne ye kan ho bom ne ye call for the bigger election intino this is not a time obi ba be didi obi atem obi ba be kan sama yenye yemfa sumdwe yemfa wodo bia koye yemfa ko campaign no at the end of the day you obe winning no ye constituency executive there Akosua goalkeepers delegate for AU of Maya and we are ready to work with whoever wins the contest.